Let's take a look at what maintenance your printer will need on a weekly basis to ensure it's in top profit printing shape. For weekly upkeep, you'll need gloves, foam-tipped swabs, paper towels, 90% isopropyl alcohol, and Zante's Cleaning F solution. First, you'll want to empty your waste ink tank by simply unscrewing it from the bottom of the print carriage and pouring it into a receptacle that can be disposed of at a hazardous waste facility, or by mixing it into an absorbent material such as clumping cat litter and throwing it away. Next, raise your print carriage to its full height by pressing and holding the up button. Then douse a foam swab in 90% isopropyl alcohol and swab the UV lamp on each side of the print carriage. After that, pour a small amount of F solution into the cap station tray, making sure not to flood it. Take a foam-tipped swab and swab away any ink sitting in the trough. While you're at it, you can also pour a bit of F solution into the caps and let it run through the waste tanks. Wipe up any excess F solution in the cap station tray and you're in good shape to keep the profits rolling in.